Hi, and this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm coming from Rose Cottage in the lovely Yorkshire countryside to show you just how easy it is to cook your favourite bacon in the Ninja Foodi. Well, before we dive into this recipe, I just wanted to suggest that you head over to RecipeThis.com. We've got more than 1,200 kitchen gadget recipes, including recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread maker, microwave, Ninja Foodi, and many others. We also have a free weekly newsletter, which you can find on the homepage of RecipeThis.com, or you can find it on RecipeThis.com/newsletter. And there you can get our best kitchen gadget recipes sent to your inbox every Friday morning. Because I'm British and I love the bacon that us Brits enjoy, I'll be using back bacon. I've got some lovely unsmoked back bacon. I've got 10 rashers. I can't remember. Yes, it came from Aldi. Sometimes I go to so many different supermarkets, I can't actually remember where I bought the stuff from. But yeah, this bacon is absolutely lovely. I'm not a fan very much of the streaky bacon because I find it a bit too fatty for me. So, bacon in the Ninja Foodi is actually really good fun, and it's a totally different way of doing it compared to how you would do it in, say, the Philips air fryer. First of all, into your cooking pot, you actually have the normal trivet, but you have it so that it's tall. So then it goes in the cooking pot like that, and then what you do is you actually dangle your bacon, as in the bacon hangs down from these section here, and then it gives a much more even cook of bacon. And then compared to just rolling out full slices, it doesn't actually take up that much room. So you could actually cook a lot more bacon at once using the Ninja Foodi method than you ever would in a normal air fryer basket. So how this works is you grab your slice of bacon and you thread it down in the Ninja Foodi so that it looks like that. And then you can carry on doing that for as much or as little bacon as you want to cook. And then any of the excess fat just dribbles into the bottom so that it makes your bacon even less fatty by the time you've finished air frying it. And 4 slices, you want to make sure it's not actually touching the bottom, so you kind of wind it on so that it fits properly, though you can have a good check of it when you're done. And then what you can do is you can actually wind some over. Look, this one's falling off a little bit. Right, so what you could also do is you could do 2 layers on each row, because you could fit 2 levels of it on, because the air fryer basket is quite big. And then best of all, when you're doing this, if you're doing streaky bacon, which like I said I'm not bothered for, but if you are into streaky bacon, then you could probably fit in a lot more than what we're doing here. And then if your slices are too long, you can always chop a little bit off the ends. And then if you check out the recipe for this on RecipeThis.com, you actually see that we actually make bacon butties out of it. Unfortunately, I haven't got any bread out at the moment to do that with. So as you can see, we've now got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices going. So I'm just going to add in the last 2. It's very fiddly. Doing it like this. Just going to move that one over a little bit more. And then the last one. So there you have it. We've got our full 10 slices of bacon there. They're all in the pot, ready to cook. And now it's a case of putting it in to the air fryer function. And then for the air fryer, we'll start by putting the lid down. And then you're looking for the air crisp. You're looking for the temperature setting to read 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit. And then for a cook time, it depends on how you like your bacon, but somewhere between 5 to 8 minutes seems to be popular. So let's start with 7 minutes and then we can see if the bacon is to our liking. So let's check on our bacon, shall we? Oh wow, I can smell the bacon. My lovely doggy Ali will be absolutely heartbroken that she's not here to smell the bacon. I wonder, should we take some home for her? She might just like that. And the easiest way to show you is to actually get out the actual rack. And then check this out, all this lovely bacon. Wow, doesn't that bacon look fantastic? And as you can see, there's loads of it here. So that's one of the slices. And then that's all the bacon together, all perfectly cooked. Perfectly cooked. Listen, I like my bacon just cooked like this. If you want it crispy, do another 3 minutes and it will be crispy. But you know, this bacon is still perfectly cooked. And as you can see on this piece here, it's starting to get its crisp as well. So if you wanted it really crispy, just add a few extra minutes and then it's fine. But as you can see from this fantastic trick for actually cooking lots of bacon at the same time using the Ninja Foodi. Normally with the Ninja Foodi, if you just put it out in the air fryer basket, you'd be lucky to be able to do 4 slices. We've done 10 slices here, so it's a great technique and a great Ninja Foodi hack that we should all be doing in our Ninja Foodi at home. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.